That's the toughest thing about this virus is like we don't know who to blame. Like this is the first thing we've experienced in the last 73 years that is not Pakistan's fault. We are not used to things not being Pakistan's fault. Welcome to lockdown day. What day it is?
Like I promise you, is somebody in the toilet? I just heard a flush. Did you guys fucking hear that shit?
Soon the world shut down. We decided to do just a couple of shows online to raise money for charity. Alright, what's up everyone? Hello. Every night I ask this one question. What's the first thing you're going to do? What's the first thing you're going to do? First thing you're going to do after the lockdown ends? After the lockdown ends. People tuning in from everywhere in the world. Which part of Mumbai?
Chicago.
Stuck in Singapore.
I'm in Madrid right now. Stockholm.
Yeah, from Moscow.
I'm from Dubai, UAE.
Houston, Texas.
Poland. We are staying in Poland.
You're watching stand up for breakfast? Are you fucking serious?
I'm from Costa Rica.
I'm from Melbourne.
From Spain.
I'm in Ireland right now.
I'm in London.
I may be in a place that the virus came from.
You're from Wuhan? And the answers were...
Go on a cruise.
I don't know. I just want to be stuck on a ship with some other people in a virus. That's my plan.
Get a haircut.
Get a haircut. There's a Sardar on the... Jaswant is just sitting there like, you know, when the lockdown is done, I'm done with this Sikhism. I gotta say.
Kind of confused as to what I wanted to do.
Okay, I'm moving on. Fuck that. I can't get into this. I'm sorry. We don't have this kind of time.
I can go out all day.
Okay, I know you're alone in a room, but can you feel the resentment from everybody else?
We are allowed to meet one person from outside your family out in a park with 2-meter distance.
I'm just picturing two people who are desperate and horny standing 2 meters away from each other. And his girlfriend just going, man, I wish your dick was bigger right now. I really do. Don't go away. Don't go away. Hey everyone, it's Veer Das. I'm just going to take a few more minutes of your time. Don't worry, then you can get down to the comments and talk about how I looked exhausted in the special and you did not appreciate the dick joke. I get it. Neither did I. Now, the special is a charity special, so it's not coming out on Netflix, although I want to thank them for their support. It's coming out on my website, www.veerdas.in, for everyone to watch. Now, how this works is you get onto the website and you're offered 4 charities. There's a charity for children, a charity for dogs, a charity for doctors, and a charity for elder people, all doing COVID relief. You choose the charity that you like, and unlike a marriage or democracy, you get to choose where your money goes. This special costs 30 rupees if you're in India, or $1 if you're outside of India. It's not a lot of money. You get to do charity, and what's the best part of charity? You get to feel better than all of your friends and family. I'm offering you superiority, I think. I know you have questions about the special, so I wrote down just some FAQs. I'm gonna answer them. Number 1, Veer, why isn't the special free, man? Well, it's not free because neither are meals or PPE kits or kennel food or vitamins. So we have to charge you a little bit for the special. 2, what if I don't like the special, Veer? Well, then you've lost $1 on something you don't like. Think of it like taking a bus to the office. You don't like that. Will the money actually get to the charities, Veer? Absolutely, it will. We know the charities, we know exactly what they're going to do with the money, they're looking forward to it, and I guarantee you they really, really need it. And then of course finally, Veer, does this special get me good karma and guarantee my place in heaven? Come on. Absolutely. Yes. If you watch this lockdown special, you are guaranteed a place in heaven no matter who you worship. if you worship like Jesus, Allah, Vishnu, the Jewish guy, Beyonce, no matter who it is, you get into heaven. Unless you're Buddhist, in which case you come back looking very, very sexy. I promise you that. You know, and then finally, is this special only for Indian people? No. It became this beautiful conversation where everybody in the world tuned in. Think of this like a WHO for comedy, except without all that bad news every single day. Now please go tell people, because this special is for charity. I'm going to humbly ask that you share this trailer with the hashtag InsideOut, hit like, subscribe, and tell all of your friends so that we can all raise some money. And even if your friends don't, you get to feel superior than your friends. And that's really what charity is all about. You. Please watch my special. It's going to help a lot of people. I look forward to your support. Please share this trailer. See you soon. See you on release day.